Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Prével, a peaceful coastal community in the Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec. Prével is part of the larger area known as Saint-Georges-de-Malbaie, which became a municipality in 1881 and later merged into the town of Percé in 1971. The village was named in honor of George Prével, a pioneer and benefactor who played a significant role in the development of this region. As we drive through Prével, you'll notice the stunning natural beauty that defines this area. The coastline offers breathtaking views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, with its rugged cliffs and serene beaches. The region is also known for its unique geological formations, including the nearby Tête d'Agnon rock formation, which resembles the profile of a Native American head. Prével is not only rich in natural beauty but also steeped in history. During World War II, the nearby Fort Prével was established to monitor Gaspé Bay and counter potential enemy submarine attacks. Today, remnants of the fortification still stand, serving as a testament to this chapter of our history. Whether you're here to explore the historical sites, enjoy the scenic landscapes, or simply take a leisurely drive, Prével offers a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry of Quebec's maritime heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the Gaspé Peninsula's hidden gems.
Thanks for watching!